Imagine we are chilling on a lazy Sunday afternoon, and I've decided to share some insider knowledge on information protection and data loss prevention using Microsoft Purview. As we are both keen on ensuring our digital footprints are secure, let's dive into how Microsoft Purview can bolster our defenses in the corporate data world. Okay, so Microsoft Purview is this all-encompassing toolset from Microsoft designed to protect sensitive data from getting out and about without our consent. Think of it as the digital bouncer for your company's most precious secrets. Why? Well, data loss can hurt not only financially but also knock down our credibility and trust with customers and partners. It's just not worth the risk, right? Now, the architecture part. Microsoft puts its architecture on steroids with Purview. We are talking a well-oiled machine here, seamlessly integrating services to spot data leaks before they happen. At the heart of Purview, there's this DLP, data loss prevention, acting like the night watchman, keeping an eye on where data gets shared. This isn't about mucking about with individual policies. We are setting up a system that scales across everything, from emails to office documents. Moving on to classifications or categorizations, if you will, it's not just about tagging the info as confidential. Purview goes further. By categorizing data, we are not just labeling an item, it's understanding the context. So, this tool analyzes content and applies policies on the fly where needed. If someone wants to share sensitive financial data, Purview flags it, prompts for caution, or even halts the sharing based on predefined rules. It's context-aware and smart, which is the real deal. Now, about risk assessment and complying with those pesky regulations, Microsoft Purview shines. You know all those rules and regulations we deal with, like GDPR and HIPAA. Purview helps navigate that complex maze, ensuring compliance across various touchpoints without breaking a sweat. It's like having a legal expert embedded in the tool, ensuring we're on the right side of the law and avoiding hefty fines. On to management and auditing. This is where Purview struts in looking after our digital assets. We can track every share, every movement of our categorized data, maintaining a record of who accessed what and when. Imagine a ledger, but for data within our organization, accessible to authorized individuals like security and compliance teams, providing peace of mind and oversight. And then there's the human touch. Microsoft ensures your team is up to speed with training using Purview. It's not enough to have fancy tools, you need people who understand and abide by them. Thus, Purview integrates just-in-time learning resources that help create a knowledgeable team that respects data privacy. Now, for a walkthrough, let's say we have sensitive info that needs encryption on the move. Purview helps enforce this, making sure that no unsanctioned copy can travel outside our domain. It's not just about locking our files away, we are ensuring these sensitive bits don't leave in a digital form that unsecured apps can handle. Integrating Microsoft Purview into existing infrastructures might sound daunting, but Microsoft has got our backs. Whether we are already on the cloud or not, with a little setup and a few configurations, Purview becomes part of our existing armor, working with the tools we've got without much downtime. We just need a couple of clicks to link it all in the Microsoft ecosystem. Setting policies, right? Picture this. We define who can view confidential data, under what circumstances, and how sensitive the information is. Purview respects these rules within its digital domain, ensuring our internal operations aren't affected while keeping the data under wraps. Then we have automated actions. It's not just set it and forget it. Through Purview, When unauthorized attempts to access sensitive data occur, the system triggers specific defensive actions. This isn't about panicking and freezing. It's about intelligent interception, such as alerts, blocking attempts, or even redirecting the flow of data under threat. We are talking quick reaction to prevent leaks before they start. Scalability is key to handling big companies or rapidly growing operations. With Purview, our data protection doesn't just grow, it scales with us. As our digital presence expands, the tool expands, taking on more and more to shield our growing digital empire without a hitch. All in all, Microsoft Purview is the all-rounder in our toolset for information protection and DLP within Microsoft ecosystems. We are talking about an array of services, from GDPR compliance and data subject request handling to fine-grained control within Office products. It's the backbone of a robust information security strategy. Before I sign off, keep in mind, security isn't a one-man job. It's a team effort, a cultural commitment to safeguarding data every single day. With Microsoft Purview and a proactive security culture, we are in good shape to keep our sensitive info snug under lock and key, confident in our digital defenses. Keen on delving deeper into Microsoft's safeguarding superpowers? I'd recommend visiting neeraj.qzz.io and subscribing to TechLab for more technical wisdom and updates straight from the pro. Stay informed, stay protected.